exciting music. Hey, what's going on, Empire Builders? This is Richie G, your digital architect and founder of Collaboration Empire. Are you ready to discover exactly how I consistently earn over $1,000 every single day, and how you can too? I'm about to reveal it all in the most powerful and straightforward step-by-step tutorial you've ever seen, and the best part, it's absolutely free. Forget paying for expensive courses, websites, or prior experience. No matter if you're in the US, Europe, Asia, Africa, wherever you are on this planet, this strategy is designed for you. Over 1 million aspiring entrepreneurs have already started their profitable side hustles using methods I've personally shared, proving time and again this system is legit. Let's get something clear. I don't do this just for views or likes. Almost all my ad revenue goes right back into supporting and rewarding our incredible community. Seeing your success stories pouring in is what motivates me every single day. But remember, in business, nothing is guaranteed. Your success ultimately depends on the effort and dedication you put in. Ready to unlock this powerful money-making blueprint? Let's jump straight into it. Step 1. Head straight to Google Trends. No ads, just go to trends.google.com. Find out what's trending right now or over the past week. Most beginners make the rookie mistake of spotting a trend and immediately trying to sell products on Etsy or similar platforms. That's great if you're experienced, but it's not beginner-friendly. Instead, follow this. Step 2. Grab a free AI tool like Glow AI. Never pay for this. Always find a free alternative. Search your trending keyword, filter results to the last month, and uncover the hottest viral YouTube videos popping right now. Quick pause, comment below and share why you're committed to building your digital empire. I'll personally pick a few of you to win special giveaways and exclusive bonuses. Step 3. Now monetize easily without selling a single product. Here's exactly how CPA-led. Get paid between 62 cents and $2 for every email collected. TapMob earn even bigger, up to $8 per email. This one's my favorite, and it's how I've quickly banked over $10,000. Simply grab your affiliate link, shorten it using a free tool like Shrink Earn, and boom, instantly earn about $20 per 1,000 clicks sent directly to your PayPal or another easy payment method. Step 4. Use Google's free AI tools, Gemini or Grok, to effortlessly create attention-grabbing blog posts based on the trending videos you've discovered. Quickly polish your content in Hemingway Editor, another free tool, to ensure it's highly readable, engaging, and clickable. Step 5. Post these compelling articles on high-authority platforms like Medium. Sprinkle in your shortened affiliate links and embed enticing CPA offers. Every click, every email sign-up means money flowing straight to you. Here's the reality. My true success comes from empowering ambitious people like you. Inside Collaboration Empire's premium programs, I share game-changing strategies like faceless YouTube automation, strategies that are earning my students thousands of dollars per video and securing them major brand deals. Imagine earning $1,000 to $4,000 per video without ever appearing on camera. My students are already quitting their 9-to-5 jobs and living their dream lives thanks to this powerful blueprint. Stop wasting time on guesswork and costly mistakes. Click the link below, join Collaboration Empire today, and start building your unstoppable digital legacy. Remember, action creates wealth. Let's build your empire now. Disclaimer. This method is powerful, but results vary. Always do your own research and consult professionals for personalized financial advice. This content is educational, based on my personal experience and success.